Welcome to etvFutures.com. It's Friday, January 25th. I'm Remy Hokie for your Commodities Recap. NYMEX crude oil futures advanced for the second straight session, closing above $90 a barrel. The benchmark crude contract hit an intraday high of $91.38 earlier. March crude added $1.30 or 1.5% to end at $90.71 a barrel on the NYMEX. For the week, crude added 79 cents a barrel. In other petroleum products, February RBOB gas rose 3.54 cents to $2.3182 a gallon. February heating oil added 4.28 cents to $2.5191 a gallon. Meanwhile, February natural gas futures added 18.1 cents to close at $7.0983 per million BTU. Over in the metals complex, gold and platinum futures hit new record highs on the day. The precious metals soared as both geopolitical and safe haven concerns weighed on the metals. February gold hit a record high of $924.30 an ounce in electronic NYMEX trading. February gold added $4.90 to settle at $910.70 an ounce on the COMEX division of the NYMEX. This afternoon, we're joined by Frey from etvFutures and Options. He'll give us a short-term outlook for energy and metals futures.
Okay, recapping the action that we saw this week in the metal and energy sectors. I'll start with the metals. We got the all-time highest print in gold, just a hair under 9.25, $925 an ounce today. We were unable to maintain that price. I mentioned last time when we saw the gold push through 900 that we saw what we typically refer to as demand destruction, and we're seeing that again up here. So I don't, for at least the short term, we don't believe that we're going to be able to maintain above 900 very much next week. So we are looking for a pullback, like I said, below 900. We could see a retest of the 850 lows that we saw just a couple of weeks ago. So there's definitely a chance of that again. And basically, more or less, a new range-bound market here developing. I think between about 850 and 9.25 now will be the range for the foreseeable future. But bottom line is, we put on some short positions today near the highs above 900, actually above 910. So we'll, like I said, look for a correction back below 900 into and through next week. Moving over to energy real quick, crude oil. Pretty much held the line today around $90. Ended up there, and we mentioned that we thought 85 would hold in past comments, and we've seen that now and mentioned it in our newsletter as well. And 85 has held as we expected. At this stage, we do expect to see the mid to high 90s tested this quarter, if not in the month of February, certainly by the end of the quarter, and ultimately probably retest the highs, the 100 level again. So, we continue to be happy buyers anywhere below 90, ultimately with stops below 85.
That was Frey, head trader at etvFutures and Options, with his commodities commentary. And that wraps it up for your Commodities Recap. I'm Remy Hokie. Join us later this afternoon for PM Exchange right here on etvFutures.com.